everyone. Welcome back to English class.
So right now, everyone in the country is under quarantine. We're all staying at home, being bored, trying to do anything to entertain ourselves. I know I'm bored sometimes. But unfortunately, we have to stay inside. I want to go places. I want to see people. I want to go have fun. But instead, I'm stuck at home until quarantine is finished. So I try to entertain myself, watch movies, eat food, and play on my phone. But sometimes you just can't escape being bored. I like to think about the future. I like to make a list and make plans of the future. And that's what we're going to talk about. When I was still in America, people asked me about my future plans a lot. Teachers and parents, they would usually ask me, "What's your plan for a career?" And I would say, "I'm thinking of teaching English." Then they'd ask, "Where do you want to teach?" And I would say, "I'm thinking of going to Korea." Now, let's take a look at a PowerPoint to learn more. Alright, here we are, back at school. Let's get into this. Lesson 1, Part 1. So, our focus is going to be on the phrase, "I'm thinking of." So you can use it to talk about your plans for the future. I'm thinking of doing this or that. So here's an example. What are you going to do after self-quarantine? You can say, I'm thinking of singing at a noraebang with my friends. Alright, let's look at another example. And this time I want you to find the mistake. There's something wrong in the next one. So let's see if you can find it. Here we go. What are you going to do this weekend? I'm thinking of watch a movie. Spot it? Right there. Watch. I'm thinking of watch a movie is wrong. Instead, it should be I'm thinking of watching a movie. So, the format for this is I'm thinking of, and then a verb plus ing. Now, let's stop for a minute and look in your books.
I'm thinking of exercising every day. How about you?
We are going to do Activity A, listen and answer. So, the first question is, What will the speakers do this weekend? Let's take a listen.
1.
What are you doing this weekend?
I'm thinking of doing some volunteer work at the child care center.
What would you do there?
I would probably read some books to the children.
That sounds interesting. Can I join you?
Of course.
Now let's look at the pictures and see, is it A, B, or C? Correct. It is C. They're going to read books to children. Now, take a look at number 2. It says, complete the sentence below. The boy will lend a blank about blank to the girl. Let's take a listen.
2. What are you going to read for the book review homework?
I'm thinking of reading a book about young leaders.
Good idea. I have the perfect book for you.
Oh, could you lend it to me?
Sure, I'll bring it tomorrow.
Did you catch it? The boy will lend a book about young leaders to the girl. Whew, got that out of the way. Now, let's get back to our presentation. Alright, we're back. So, for the next part, I want you to use the picture. So, I'll show you a picture and a question. Look at the picture and use it to answer the question. Ready? Here we go. What's your plan for tomorrow? Answer: I'm thinking of riding my bike. Alright, let's try another one. What's your plan for this summer? Answer: I'm thinking of going to the beach. Another one, here we go. What's your plan for next weekend? Answer: I'm thinking of hiking up a mountain. And last one. What's your plan for next weekend? I'm thinking of studying English. Well, that's good to hear. So, your assignment. I want you to open the sheet and answer 5 questions about your future plans using I'm thinking of. And for each answer, use a different verb. Don't worry, giving you some help. First, Here's some helpful expressions for time. There's tonight, next weekend, this summer, next year, after quarantine. Whoa, sorry about that. Bit of a computer error for me. But anyway, to continue, there are also some ideas for verbs that you can use in your sentences. There's go, change, read, come, do, start, learn, work, play, make, try, and become. So you can use any of those in your sentences, or if you want to do a different one, go ahead. These are just ideas to help. And that's it. I will see you next time. If you have any questions, there's my email, my phone number, and my KakaoTalk ID.